Hi, welcome to Poole's Garage and Tire Service. We've been serving Knightdale since 1968. We service many cars throughout the community, all types. I'd like right now to explain who the owners are, who our techs are. To begin with, these are our techs, Roman, Michael, Joe, and behind him is Scott. He is our manager. Sally is our office girl, and the owners are Owen and Charles Poole, who originally started this business. We again like to thank everybody and wish everybody would like to come visit us. Thank you so much.